Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to kayaking which is located in Saligrama. That's also the mangrove kayaking. I think I will have fun today. Let's go guys.
You have to hold the paddle like this, okay? Like a bike or scooter, like accelerate. If you want to go straight, you have to row both the side. If you want to go right side, you have to row left. If you want to go left, you have to row right. If you want to go reverse, turn your paddle face like this and push the water. That's it.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
Look at camera, dude. Guys, finally I'm in kayak. You guys can see sitting in a kayak. My friend is over there. And yeah, let's have fun. I will keep my tripod here. You can see all whole kayak journey. So yeah, let's go. Look at the mangroves, guys. This is all the mangroves over here. You guys, if you come kayaking, you guys can check out all those mangroves. So my friend is kayaking over there, and there's a guide also. There's a guide also for us. So yeah, let's go.
We are here doing some kayaking and I recommend this place 10 on 10. आप पूरा ऐसा mangrove के you can see there. Come here. You can see a mangrove path there through which we can go through the mangroves and put a big round across this. It's very beautiful. मैं location बाद में बता दूंगा. आप इधर आ जाओ. And it is a one-time experience you have to do before if you come to Udupi.
Look at this place, guys. Best mangrove experience here. Came out of mangrove. We can go to there is a kayaking boat where you can go 2 person in one kayak. We took a single kayak just for taking some good vlogs and clips. You need a lot of strength just to go, just to paddle this river water. But the nice view, nice area. പോർട്രേറ്റ് ഇടാൻ ഇതിനെ എനിക്ക് പോകുന്നുണ്ട് ഒന്നിട്ട് ഫോം ഇടാൻ വന്നുണ്ട് ಅಂದ್ crazy clips by there. Look at this mangrove, guys. I'm tired, dude. See, under the mangroves. Look at me, guys. Fully tired. Paddling in middle of the mangroves. one of the best view I can say. For more videos like this, for more vlogs, adventure vlogs and some vlogs, just do subscribe guys. Show some support so that I can get motivated myself and put some good vlogs and videos in this. Okay, get untla. Stop. ಒಂದು ತೋರ್ಸು ಫೋಕಸ್
ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು. He's tired, so he's
Don't go
sleeping
to
there.
gym and put it back and come to a kayaking day. It's gonna hurt a lot.
Yeah, literally tired. Need a lot of energy just to see this wonderful view. ಈ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ವ್ಯೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. I will show you the view from this bridge. Look at. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Hope you like it. And this is you can visit this place. It's 20 kilometers from Udupi. So if you want to enjoy kayaking and enjoy mangrove forest, this is the best spot I can say. And I will put the location link in the description. Guys, go and check. And for amazing vlogs like this, do subscribe my channel and like this video so that I can upload such a good vlogs in a future videos. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vlog. Peace guys.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ।